How to get code on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I am going to show you guys how you can get code on Spotify. So firstly, after opening your Spotify account, just click on the song you want to get code of and tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. Now you will see different options. From which click on the last option that says Show Spotify code, and you will see the code on your screen. Just screenshot it and send it to your friends or families. So you can follow the same steps in order to get the Spotify playlist code. But if you want to get the code for your profile, just click on the gear shift icon in the upper right corner at the home page. Again, click on the view profile option and you will be appeared on this home page where you can see the three dots. Click on it. Again, click on the Show Spotify code option at the menu. And here you have your Spotify code for your profile. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.